can. Hitler, Adolf Hitler, as he do rich, some people still like him. Why men still hate him? Because nobody feel hate you. Some Adolf Hitler, if they never born us, when maybe they're not born with this, like when those ones do things, they never even born me, which one be the double. When those ones do things, but we can't grow, can't hear the story, can't read it, can't, that's, you know, na hey, can't really know, it can't do history, waiting people like that do. At the millions, billions of people, when we say die during a regime, when it day, still, people still like her. Some people, they when you still like her. For that one. So why people they feel same like everything when you do, like people must like you, everybody need to like, everybody must not like you. May God help us, oh, my sister, because the thing is surprising me. Oh, this guy now, this is our Benin brother. When you're there for Benin, now, like they say, he used to live in Germany. Now he can't go Benin. They no say the Nigeria not good though. Man, condemned country, and still go. But Nigeria die putting her right. Okay. So why some people they happy say he die? Why some people they say, if they do like na good round. When I see some comment in my head big. Comment with the thought say rest in peace for person. Like me, so rest in peace. Some idiots, some motherfucker. When they don't know whether or they won't follow her tomorrow. Yeah. They don't even know whether they will even use the break. Whether they will break them, whether they will even see the next day. They don't know. They're actually happy. That's the height of wickedness. Knowing fully well that that's the only thing. That's the only thing nobody can escape. At least me, I know. Death now the thing when we say nobody fear escape. That nobody can escape it. No matter how you be you know where you be. Now death God for whole loss. The creator of the person when he create all of us. Knowing fully well that the next minute, some people say they thought on 3 days ago. You feel talk to a person 10 minutes ago because for breath to leave person, you know they reach 5 minutes. For breath to come out for person knows. They say 5-10 minutes, so it don't go. Which one be 3 days ago, even yesterday, today? If you talk to a person this morning, before in the afternoon, they'll say the person don't die. That's it. It don't go, it don't go. Why are people so wicked? Why some people they feel say they be immortal? Like you can actually be rejoicing over a dead person, say he don't die. You not go die. Like, are you telling me that you will not go? Hey, some immortal don't dead this life for Kweke. Some people don't actually be immortal. Like they are immortal. Get what's going. Like some people actually now they are immortal. They know they die, they know they rot, they know they cannot. Hey, I don't know. I baby kuna they cause so for person. Make una they cause so for person. We una for the about those una life. When it be say una not go die for the why he woo. Make una say the tell person. How you day? How you day today? Oh, thank you. I'm fine. I'm fine. May so rest in peace. May gentle so rest in peace. Hey, he don't know. Now you know. Say since when they talk and say the life short, you deaf. Some people deaf. Now some of them they know. Why be say if person never die? Now they know say the life short. Why be say if person never the life short? Why be say now they know? I always say it. The life is short. Tomorrow can be seized. The next 10 minutes, you don't know what will happen. If God decides to take the breath from me, oh, worry, eh? Can I get the breath? It don't come out. In the next 5-10 minutes, the breath don't go. If it's never die, Nigerian people know they know say, really they know say, the human being in general. They know say, oh, life short, oh, this life nothing there. You don't know say nothing there before. When they talk, say, stop killing yourself. Stop doing things like if you do want some more rest because nothing there the life. Oh, nothing we have to, oh, nothing there the life. Now you know me. I have known that a long time ago. That's why I always they talk. And that's what one person you write me. When I be say every time, they talk about death. And you know go die. Like really? I know they talk about death. It's just that is the reality. I'm using it to tell you. It's not like I'm saying it that. Make you for enjoy your life. Live your life. Live your life to be fullest. Not look who she face. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. That's why I'm saying it. Tomorrow is not. That's why there was a talk and they say me I go enjoy. I will enjoy it as I can. Try enjoy myself the way when I go fit. Because me I already know say. Tomorrow is not guarantee anything can happen. I no one regret say, hey, I don't die, why I not enjoy, why I not shop. That's why there was a talk say I go fuck, I go shop, I go holiday, I go do anything just because I don't know when it will be. The only thing we they pray for now just long life. Make we live. Because even if you live, go reach 150 years, 200 years, at the end of the day, I have a woo. Now just long life. How you are pray? You now that they pray put yasta like sakabor. Long life. May God let person live, you know. That's it. Say you the thing, say some part now make some parts of the feet they deceive some people. Hey, you shall not die. You shall not. No. Pray for long life and good health. That's it. And with all the good things in life, which one be you shall not die? The TV just like they preach at that time say you shall not die. In dog move go. Ye makpa. Maybe people when we need the tell say you shall not die. All those ones say they are alive. In when they say you shall not die, don't go. That's it. Why are you telling people that they shall not die? Pray for good health for them, like pray for long life and good health and good life. Make them live good life and all of that. Which one be you shall not die until they deceive people. And Nigerian people, they don't want that, but they won't go heaven. Nigerian people, black people are the people that they don't want to die, but they want to enter heaven. I don't know how they want to enter. That's why that guy even sing that song that time. Nobody want die, everybody want go heaven. Hey. Everybody want go heaven. Yeah, now so there be. If you hear that, oh, that no, I shall never die. No, I will die one day, but my prayer is my long life and good health. One day I'm not going to. Except say something come happen. Say, as we come to this life now, something go come happen. You go change it. That die. We say they'll come your year. Say. Nobody they die again. Like, I don't know as God want to do that place. He will come and say, nobody is going to be dying again. That's long life. They normally say, we shall not die young. That is long life. What it be the long life when me they talk? Like, pray for longer life. And good health, like so that you not go die young. Because if you not pray for longer life, pray that you live more. You go die young now. That's what we pray. Long life. Long life. Whether na 50 country show, whether na 60 country show, whether na that's why you need to they live like. Live one day, they live every opportunity. That's what we both know how to enjoy life more than black. They live every opportunity that they make use of. They make use of the hours, the minutes, the seconds, everything that they make use of. Make use of it. No, so they keep power, mama, because they feel say the life, you know, go end. when they're supposed to live their well, live well, enjoy the life, everything, they postpone to 10 years to come. Maybe some make use of aprovechar. That's what Spanish, as well as you say aprovechar. Make use of every day, very important. Now, nobody want that, but they won't go everywhere. If Nigeria people you're here say that, oh, they don't want here, they don't want here. Forgetting that death, they everybody back. They don't want here, they don't want even here. They don't want here. When you tell them say live your life, live it very well. No, get that for the back of your mind. Say you go die one day. Like just have it here. Have it there. I mean, the pastors normally pray that we shall not die young. No, I don't hear pastor when they pray say you shall not die. You shall not die. And then if you can die, why would like I've heard it a lot. I don't hear some see they pray say you shall not die young. Fine, but some now you shall not die. You not go die like many. I not go die at all. I not go die. I will live forever. No, it shall not die at all. Like really. They live each day as if say if you get the opportunity as if say tomorrow no day. Make use of and enjoy company. No they put person for mind. No they put people even if you get something you get quarrel with person everything. Don't it go because if that person die, you not release the person before he go. Before you go, you are going to live with that all the days of your life. Not be small. You will live with it all the days of your life. And some people, they say, if person you're dead or you're they happy, all those people when they happy, now don't want even baffle me, say this guy, even if they do what they do, nobody they perfect. Even Jesus, when he even come, when they say, "Una not say killer," the human being they not killer. What make by what? Must he be perfect? Must he please everybody? Must he please everybody? Must he please everybody? Like everybody? How many of you please? You they do your talk, they do anything they do. Many people will like him. Many people not will like him. That's it. If you not like a waka pass, I get bomb yo. No, so people you put on for head. Like waiting one idiot talk. Make it come fight for Brafa again now. Make it fight for Brafa. He was saying he was doing his program. He was agitating for what he believed and all of that. Now you don't be that one. May you go talk your own. Some people they are good in correcting. They don't feel pretty. They have watched shameless face come out, but now to the correct for this. Since he know they doing well, why don't you do it the right? Why you not do the one when you feel say it good? Correction must be the worst. I mean, I need no you ain't medzi. He was agitating for what he believed or they preach what he believed. That's his own. Who see you live on? You know, concern you must not like it. People when they like and will like and do when they do, but when not like and fuck off. Nene brafa na no be say some of una go live to see am. Many of una go die before una even get the brafa. Oh wow, una not go even see am. Why me? Rubbish. Many of una not go see am. Whether they will give brafa because in the next 500 years, una not even know whether brafa go even free. Now, many of una not go see am. So hon wa fian, hon wa sun. Why me? Now I won't die put there. Come fight for Biafra now because the guy was talking about how anybody can talk with your opinion. He can speak in your own, talk in your the way when he sit there, no live and there. You when you know pass. I don't know why all those people will be say they know pass. They know they own their life video, they can't they do. They know they breathe their face, they already did darkness, but from there, they feel saying that they know pass. He come and can't do in you. Only life video can't do it. Since you know, you still come and do your own. No. To they criticize or the many the guy does go make so recipes. Who no go die? Who will not die? It's so painful because like me looking at him is not up to 50 or maybe 50 something. You know? But then it is that one reach to our people. Only they say na could you believe there are so many motherfuckers that is happy? That is so happy. So I said that this one does still go. You don't know if you be your turn tomorrow, motherfucker. You know how many people when they dey darkness, when they die every day. Now because say you bring the face come out, now make you know say you die. If you dey fake account, they wish people evil. If you die now, nobody go know. Nobody go even know you. Whether good or bad, what he was doing, at least many people know. They know his face. The man said they know they see their picture for their platform when they are alive. So I na me do. Not only when they don't die. Ana me, another. You know her before. Why would you have hypocrisy? Buwa. You best side motherfuckers. Rest in peace. It don't go. You ever walk in a week back. I was na crocodile try when I call the have idiot for your man. Many of them they wish una neighbor death. Rubbish. Me I go bring my pizza. What the fuck? Me know they call they cry. Oh, you know her before when I there, you know her. Cause I never see a picture for your platform before. What bolokoshi? How hypocrisy? Now only that when they feel they celebrate. Rubbish. Make una rest for fight. Come and join me, guys. Peace. Make una rest for fight. Make una they celebrate. I only knew him. I know her from. I don't see a video. Now so all of una see the video. So all those crocodile, rest in peace. Nyevek bane. We go. Me wanna they pray make another person die. Kami wa mu yoto. Person go offend no na wa person wa mu yoto. If you don't die, who die? Who die? Must anybody die before you come and celebrate the person? I say night post yeah, anything. Rest in peace. Say I'll come bring person picture, come right and say no, how they don't. If I want to celebrate you with their life, why can't they post a picture from my distance? I don't wish it from my heart. You look, you know, where you go where? Wherever we went, there's nothing I can do about it. Not be my family. Not be my friend. I don't celebrate them before. When they die, they put them for their page. When they cry, that cry. I will sue. People are your devil. People are your devil. Come and join me, guys. Pizza is so sweet. I wonder if now those people when I come and say are people really wicked like this. When they happy say he die. Now you go on now, the one where you eat for your body, that be your own. If you like to die, you don't die, don't die. Let the piece of mouth. I don't know. Don't hungry me now. You're the hungry me. Yeah, me egg ben. Ain't me the hungry shop. Come, if you don't go. When I come jam, we don't go, it don't go. You know, we'll fish up again now. When if I cry, I only wish him well. I've seen him when he was alive, and they watch him. But the good one when he do, may God bless him. Not everybody will like you, my brother. Go where? You see him, man. It's just like this life. It's just Nigeria they forgive Jesus. And Nigeria they forgive Jesus. Yeah, when Nigeria got you. When you're not bad. I'm hypocrisy. Hypocrisy people. Nigeria they forgive Jesus. No. When a fresh juice, orange juice. Do anything you want to do. Live your life. Not look at your face. Anyway, they do nobody. They not like her. Who cares? Who cares? You have a ribbon. I'm here and we like it like. You have a ribbon. You know they are pieces they would eat. There's all rest in peace. Always when you get wicked hearts. Make una stop ammo. You are not immortal. Nobody be immortal. One day, everybody will die. Everybody get it day. You like, if I die, you happy. And you know, we are ready to do me will do. Anytime we God take call me, I go. If you like, you jump up. If you like, you cook rice. If you like, wait your way for war. One thing I know for sure, you will come meet me one day. We are ready now. Like, Bolweg be here. How do I don't fear death? I don't fear. I know the date? No. I need to enjoy? Yes. But I don't know the date. I wish I know the date now. If they tell that bro, say, you will die today. Like yesterday. The first day, last week. They tell and say, you will die today. What's today's date? Today na 19. On the 19th of August, you go die. You're the Chris. Now you won't kill me. Tana. Nobody know the date. We don't know the date. I know people when they sick. When they see cancer. You get some cancer once people they sick. You get one we put that time. I know that I go through person. Very nice, everything. You can't get cancer for head. 2 more. They give one date, and when the date really reach, you read that. One of those kind when they give dates, now they know the date when they die. Like Bossman, that American guy. The sickness, that clone cancer, when you get when that one they die, those kind one they know. or you just give the date. And if that date reach, if that time reach, if they go. One girl Facebook last 3 years, get money. She do video for on Facebook. Na Facebook I was saying. They enjoy, get houses, get car, everything. Before you know, young girl, they diagnosed of cancer of cancer when they tell they give person date. No money, those one. Not be saying now operation they won't do, say they need to bring money. Say now money they not see. I equal no doctor, nobody. As if not, she get the whole money for the world. I don't diagnose and there's nothing she can do. And very soon she will die. Now she says she won't give all her things to the poor. She won't share them by herself. Now she can't share them. Because now there's nothing. Now make the date reach, make she die. She can't share them by herself. She can't share things. You see her car, see the house. Because you know when I say she die, people want she will say, when she share her now, they not go share her. Can't give her to the poor. She can't do one video. I get that video that time. But this life, guess what can't even money no go save you. Money now useless because now she take go. Even when she don't go, when I see her, I will like, oh, you see her? Her money no save her. You say, enjoy your life, oh. You say, fool. I not go die. I not go die. I not go die. Let's people get the cause. They love people when he die. So people get mad, sha. If you get mad, they happy. That will be saying now the only thing when nobody they escape. That nobody they escape. So people will still get mad. Now that one na fear me. So people will still get mad happy over somebody death. If you no matter what that person will do, you don't die. If you know what right, rest in peace, know what identity, you live one. You must know right. But be happy. So people they pull out, they jump up. Be happy that it's gone. As if you are not going to go, you not will go one day. You're happy that the guy died young. Probably those idiots when they're happy say that guy died now. They not go reach the age when he reach. Because that's life for you. You not go reach the age. And the man now will get wife. He will get children. The happy say people they pain. Oh, they be say, ah God, Mama, what to do? It don't go. No, I don't they cry crocodile cry. If you can't cry, I'll say another pizza they don't give me now. Say me a shop. Even if I cry for nothing tomorrow, every day, so no need. My neighbor here. That's why Africa. The door when he faced my own. The other day when he did there, last year when the corona year new starts, They come knock for my door. Say she not there okay. Cause na my neighbor, na very nice neighbor, the next door neighbor. When your man 80 something years, you know. So they see anything. If I come out, so they sometimes they ask of her, even the children like, how they are well, they will say they okay. Sometimes you go there village, sometimes you will go village, go there with the children for some time. You go just sit there, you relax. Cause now only she they stay. When the corona news starts, she come knock for my door one day. They say, she know they will now your queen. I can't go sit down with her. Sit down with her. Can't they there can't need to call his son. Say you can't give me his son number. Make I call. Can't call her with my phone. Tell him mama not there okay. I don't know my brother. And he get high blood pressure. So because if not to call hospital, she can't say she don't do okay. She can't take her medicine. I can't deal with her. That's the time she can't say she don't do okay. I said, you sure? After about 1 hour, almost 2 hours that night. Say you sure? You say yeah, she don't do okay. Say me I dey go. I say okay, now I can't go. So the next day I can't go ask of her. She dey call her and they say she did okay. So from there, you know, she never see, she said they alive that time. Not before some time, I'm not gonna see her. I was not seeing her. Because sometimes if I still open my door, won't enter lift. Sometimes I will see her and she won't see enter lift, you know. Or maybe sometimes she will dey village, you know. I know they see her again because I bet she dey village. Did the daddy here? I don't say we picking nobody, nobody Europe now, you know, they you call. Also, open say I go see her one day, because I saw she disappear sometimes. Not be before I go Belgium. Which month will be last 2 months here? I can't see people they come. They enter a house, they remove everything, they break everything, they remove and go here. I call and say, what did happen? Where did they? Why not they carry everything? They go, well, they say she don't die. I say, eh? He say about 4 to 5 months ago. And like, you say she don't die since. They won't remove everything. They won't just change the way the black say they won't sell the house, the flat. He say, if they don't die, I don't die. For how many months now? I don't even know. Now they say don't die, they want you come remove, they won't say, I was like, Jesus Christ. I don't say she don't hold the but it is something, but I was not expecting that. Now when I don't die since me, even they say she lived their life. And before they put notification for down, you know. Say so person die for flat. They don't even put her. I know yeah, nobody even talk and nothing. Months before I come here. And well, I will be saying sometimes I will see na me and they go where na face we face ourselves. A very nice woman. She do this thing for me. She do cloth of baby for me. You know, because when she dey house, she dey bored. You know that when they sew cloth, that when they knit. When they knit, now she dey do. She can't do 2 or more cloth for me. When she tell us we can't marry, that was last 2 years. When yes, me and my sugar daddy will marry. Can't say okay, she can't do this thing. He say she get gift for me. She do it with her hand. That's why the thing is that baby this thing with sauce, very soft, fine. He say she get gift for me. We don't know say now more cloth. Almost sumo clothes, you know those soft, those I go down. I don't know how I want to talk. I don't know me. I go bring them. Yeah, she do for me. Oh, let me go and bring it. You see this shirt. You see this one more shirt. Now two, I don't know where I keep the other one. The other one are white. It's very soft. And now she knit and do everything with her hand. That my day so now she do. That's why I keep her. The other one, I don't know where I keep her now white. That one are with sauce complete with cap. She knit and with now this one she they do because she's dying. Because she know they do anything now, so she will they do this one till they keep herself. Now she do one with her hand. Now this she can't give me. The other one, I don't know where I keep her. The other one fine, but this one very fine. Beautiful, and the thing is soft. You see, huh? Very soft. Now she can't give me. When I hear say she die, and I don't even know since. Like I know say she not today okay, or like she don't old, but I know I say she go die, Nana. I did not expect it. But she's gone. She don't go. So that's life. We not buy this life. We not buy this life pay. We did not buy it and pay. One day, we will go. So why taking things serious? Person do something, you know, if you forgive us, the person will still die. You will see they get the person mind. You will see they get the person for mind. It's not fair. Very, very bad. What are you drinking? Orange juice, fresh one. Like, you know the one they buy for supermarket, you press on. You know, you press the, you put on fresh, like, you esprime. Nine. Yo. And it's in cold, it's sweet. You know, be like some when I will, some orange. When I will buy, no sweet. So now my day night do amo. No, she don't go. But I have this one. I get this one with another one. When I tell they remember. Now she like, you know the love that is on this one. Like she take her time. She do one with her hand. You know. She do one with her hand. This one no be say the one where you go they buy for market. She did it with her hand. I don't know. Her husband don't die. Tete. That's why I love. I don't know why I don't see the other. You will love the other. The other one are white. The other one are white. I'll go find her. The other one is white. I hope they never. No. Yeah, I have to see it. So 9. So that is something that is live and let others live. Anyhow when it day. And don't be rejoicing over people. All those people. That's why I say some people say they don't die. Some people say they be spirits because normal human being cannot do that. Normal human being cannot be rejoicing that someone died. They do say you too know. You when you not too know, what did you do? You when you not too know, what did you do? If you say you too know, can they fight for now those commentators you can they say make on the fight for Brafana? Can they do this one now? Can't do it again now? Don't go you know. The thing it boss my like I was overwhelmed, I was amazed. So maybe not our thing be this. As in, I don't understand. It thing surprised me, oh. Surprised me where to see that people can be so heartless. If you don't want to wish him, you want to say rest in peace, it's not compulsory. Just leave him. Now baby things be this. No, I'm talking about the day when he did opposite, when he died. The baby, this thing, when it's so for me, like she did do one with her hand. Of course, like the love when they this time, anytime when I born, I will wear my pikin. Cause she did it, she do and say now for my pikin. So now she take give me. So they remember. They use until they remember. I not go through when. Corner with love and all. No, it's not like you're buying for market. She said now she do everything. She will do and pull this button. No be her hand she take do everything with love. You know? And the other one I not see her. I keep it though. I keep it because especially that's just something like that. You have to keep because it's with love and all. I keep on say anytime. I don't know say she will soon die. She don't die. I don't know say she go die or she will soon die. Say the next time when she take give me this cloth about 2 years ago or so, yeah, or more than. Don't know say after the time say she will go. No. Now that's where this life nobody pay, nobody buy and pay. People are very wicked though, Joy. People are very wicked. Like the thing, they fear people by the day. The way they are doing, the way they do, they fear people. Me, they fear. Like you don't want to know. I dey imagine the kind heart what some people get. I dey imagine even me, they fear. Live nothing day this life. I always say it. In short, no time when I know they talk and they always they talk because I know already. That's why they won't leave any opportunity I get, my brother and sister. Me, I dey use them. I dey use them. I dey try and enjoy to be fullest. Live my life. I don't want to live my life for people. Do my thing. Do anything when it pleases me. Because if I die tomorrow, now let me die. Not be me and you. Not be me and anybody. So that's why I do it on my own. Anything when it pleases me. Anything when it come out for my kwekus. Anything when I feel like do. Iwe. I do live my life and nothing but my life. There's something that I post. By the time you started, may I bring a comment? I like that thing where that thing described me very well. It described me. Say your life is not yours if you always care about what others think. I love that quote and that make me post them. Your life is not yours. Isn't yours anymore. If you always they think, they bother for waiting people they think. Not be you get the life again. Now other people life you can't they live. So get that. Now this is my life. This is how I live. That's why I say, just see and say, now me be this, make I your post and I post them. Because me, I live my own life. I don't want to live another person's life. Your life is not yours. When you started bothering, when you started to think, what do people talk about me? When you start to they worry, they care about the opinion of other person. Because when you care about what they think, now what they want, the way when they want me to live your life, now you want to live and you know how they live and the way when you supposed to live, you want to live according to them, according to their expectation, and that is what I rather die than to do. I will honestly I don't go than to do waiting any motherfucker or waiting they think, waiting how they want make I tell they live on. I don't need to do the life again. I may walk back. I'll go. Cause that one to they live life when you know be my own. It's better die. That one will be life again. Wow. No coming, no. Oguname matter pay me. Yeah. He paid the one when he pay everybody. Like if anybody die like that, death is something that is so painful. Like we know they like even if it's your worst enemy, you don't wish them death. Even if your worst enemy, I know they wish and make him die. Why would I wish you to? Why? Can you ever wish the person to die? What did you eat today? I take breakfast and I drink pepper soup. I just drink it. The remaining one. Now I'm eating pizza. You don't call him. Don't call. I see the man video for Benin last week. That be the thing. Person when you see yesterday, I'll say don't die today. That's why. No, they keep people for mind. When you see her or you meet her, everything, let that moment be special. Even if it's not special, just still live on. You know? Wish everybody well, regardless. Or you know why? Not be wicked in life. Not be wicked in life. So, and the life not be our own. Anytime can be 6 o'clock. Anytime we feel meme. And the person don't die of phone. You see all those things. You see the social media. You see this money. You see all these things. You see the is rubbish. This juice, you taking one. Or say I want lolo na. Oh, I told me, now so life is short. A life too short. Those people when they feel they're being mortal, say they not go die. Una do. I want you would give. They use sickness, they laugh. They use death, they laugh person. Una do. Me I dey hell now. Oh, one more time. You don't tell us now. Nothing matters anymore. Nothing matters. You don't even know again. I say, you know how many times I dey meditate. Like I dey try enter the spirit. I dey try think. How did life go there? Like I be how the other side, be how the death be. I'm trying to see beyond. Sometimes my head go on, my head go on turn. Then I will stop. I will think. I will meditate. After death, waiting there that place. Waiting there the other side. Waiting there the other side be. I'll call the 1 + 1 + 1 together. The one, you know, I'll think out of myself. So if I die now, where I won't go, where be the place? I don't believe in hellfire or heaven anyway. I don't believe on that. But I know say person they go somewhere. That my own belief. I know say they go somewhere, but I try to figure the place. I don't believe in fire or heaven. I don't fucking believe it. Just they think and whether I will know. Would I be aware? Would I know that I'm gone? Now true say I will see and say I don't go. I will know, I will feel them. Or I know will feel like we all be like normal. He just leave his family just like that. So, he just leave his family just like that, a brand. Oh, like when death come, I don't know whether he get family. Like when my mother die, when they do everything, oh, become my children. That's why I'm where you. That's why I always talk and say, you're born and make it constant face in life. Because if you won't go, you don't know whether you get children, you don't know whether you get wife, you don't know whether you get nothing. You don't know whether you get estate. They know again. Because the time don't reach, die don't reach. 1 minute a day, yo. And when the name is show me robo. God call you like your creator call you say it's time. You can't say I get wife, I get my children small. Like, really? You know they happen now. Now we all know all this now. We all know. He not care again. Like, it's not that he don't care. If really you want a person say, if really say now when they know, when person they know say, if my children small now, you know, if that way that they give time, say that they know, say that they feel they talk and say, see when you want that. We say, my husband, my children is they are still very small. I can't go now. That I not feel go now. But no, that's the only thing you can't say no. You can't tell the day, my children small. Who will take care of them? Because he knows, say, not be you even want to take care of them. The God, when he won't take care of them, you know, say the children will be fine. So you not get any problem, move. Oh yeah, move. That's it. You if not, if you say anybody for they leave their children behind, therefore they leave their children, say, anybody wish anybody to be in pain? Say you can't come out, then you can't leave pain. Nobody wish that. But we have no choice. We don't get choice. When the time comes, you are a move. Now, lele. Level here. He leave his family, he leave his children behind. Yes, now normal. Sooner or later, he will always leave them behind. Sooner or later. So no time, say when person they die, when he will say, that's why me I know they too feel them again. I know they feel like because no time when person will tell that when no will pain you. When you will say he died where, oh no, okay, fine. No, whether in your go problem. If you hold on, no time when person when your loved one will reach it they die. Some people they don't old, they die and they marry, you know. They don't live their life. Maybe one fair die. The woman don't be 70 something, the man don't be 80 something or so. Maybe the man die. He go see the pain the day. You know when husband and wife go live together. Oh, you will die. You see and say the thing not to balance. He go see pain now. If now when they're young, he die. The one fair come out, he go see pain now. If now when they don't make they then and they marry two marriage couple, they work out, they go one confess, he go, oh he will die. He will see pain now, you know. Queen Elizabeth the other day when the husband died, I don't know, only me mind then act by anyway, make him still live for his son, for his grandson. When the husband died that day, they say he see pain now, he see cry. That man died. Queen Elizabeth went died. You see that man when the husband died, which month year when? Oh, you will die. Nine. No time we pay your loved one will take go when you say you go say you can't dey happy. No. At least some more you go see pay you some more, then you let go. You can't live and make it go. A time error so nine. And even if the children small or they big go, who go want leave the children whether big or small? Even if now okay now my children are still small, I don't want to death, I don't want to go now. My children are very small. They will just see big. If God give us a chance, we for not they go. My ekpa we for give excuse. I wish God they give a let us like our creator they really let us they choose. Say why you don't want to go now? Say my children are still very small. I don't want to leave them. I'll your dad leave them now. No, they will come they suffer. We'll say okay. The children come still big. They don't big now. You see say come. No, my children now they need me the most now. One you're born, I need to my grandchildren. You not time when person go take go. That's why God not they give us option. When he call, he call. You know, that's why not they give us option. Because he knows say if he give you man be, will you man be option? We not go never. My pa, we will not want that, but we won't go ever. We for not go, we for still find excuse. One excuse or the other, they give every time, they give. Even God say we can't tire. So that's why when he call, you don't know whether your pikin small. Because he knows say him when he nicely create the pikin will survive. When my mom died, even the three, Me they 15, me the other one they 10, the other one they 8. They don't grow now. They don't all of them don't boom. They don't they live their life. They don't they must they don't. But if that time when my mom sick for some time, he couldn't think about this Muslim, he couldn't think about the children. But did they survive? Did we all survive? Say we still move on. Those one when it's small that time we did 10 years. The one we did down. When they 10 years, when they 8 years, that time when they look, when people they cry, oh, what's it be? Can it 2029? Oh, that well, go get it, oh. That are born. Yeah, be a learner. Because you know why? Now he create everybody. He still get your mission for that one, for those for us. Not being go now. No way you hear zeg with the breathe. Now they take care of everybody. So you know, for you that excuse contest. When he died, go, my mom died, go. Fine, you go suffer. But don't say you not get my mind, okay, don't go. Suffer go come, but at the end of the day, now be the journey of life. God will see open way. Everything will see the okay. Fine. Now I don't want to be the suffer when mama if mama quit die anyway. Yeah, picking the suffer. From there you will move. You begin to do it in God. That's why God not they give person option. Because God they give person option before. You can't want to leave your children they suffer. Nobody go want to do and nobody will want to do that. Nobody will want to do it. But do we have a choice? No. So live your best life. Live happily. Learn to forgive on time. But you they offend people. People they offend you. Learn to let go. Not to take anything serious. Not to take and serious. Oh, who no where now? No. Don't do that. Not to take and nothing for this life water. Nothing for this life water. Nothing water. Feel am. So that's it. Thank you all so much. And may so rest in peace. I pray may God give the family, the wife and the children, may God give them the heart to bear the loss. Because it's not easy. It's not easy. And they will be fine. They go where they take care of everything. You will take care of them, they will be fine. They will be fine. So may so rest in peace. Perfect peace. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you for staying and listening to my boring talk. When I do well, live your life to the fullest and enjoy it. The life, you know, get part 2. Okay? When it come, nothing they stop. Love you all so much. Stay blessed. Bye.